Sup YouTube family, it's your boy King A. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a very easy scalping strategy that you guys can use to day trade in the forex market. So if this is your first time on my channel and if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. Now without further ado, let's roll out the intro and I'll see you guys inside. For this scalping strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video, we're going to be using three indicators, and so we're going to be using three indicators, which is three moving averages. So we're going to be using three EMAs, and we're going to be using this strategy on the 15-minute time frame because that's actually my recommendation. Now, to use this strategy, what I want you guys to do is to go here to your indicators. And before I actually get into today's video, so if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, the link is going to be down below in the description. And as you can see right there on the screen, last week we actually did 4,000 pips, and if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, the link is going to be down below in the description. Now let's get this video started. So to use this scalping strategy, what I want you guys to do is you go here to your indicators and you just search for moving average exponential. So you search for moving average exponential, which is EMA. Make sure you use it moving average exponential, not simple moving average. So you click on it 3 times. And for the first one, we're going to actually change this right here to 21, and you can use whatever color you want for the style. So I'll use this blue right here. And for the second one, I want you guys to change that to 55. And for the style, use whatever color you want as well. I'll use this right here. And then you click on OK. And for the last one, I want you guys to go here to input and change this to 150. And for the style, I'll just change this to black right here, and then you click on OK. Now for you to be able to use this strategy, there are rules we need to follow. Now, because when we want to use this strategy, we need the 3 EMAs, we need them to be going the same direction. So we need them to be heading towards the same direction if it's for a sell or for a buy. And when you're looking to take a sell trade, when you're looking for sell opportunities, you need the 3 EMAs to be below, you want price to be below the 3 EMAs. And when you're looking to take a buy trade, you need price to be above the 3 EMAs before you start looking for any opportunities at all, whether for a buy or for a sell. And I'll be showing you guys 2 examples here today, a sell example and a buy example. Now first, if we take a look at this sell here, our first confirmation that we need to be looking for is we need price to be below the 3 EMAs. Now once we have that first confirmation, now we have our first confirmation. Now the second confirmation we need before we actually get in a trade is that we need to make sure that we have our support zone. And as we can see here, we have our support zone here, because doing it this way, you're going to have a very high win rate when you use this strategy exactly like this, when you combine this strategy with support and resistance. Now we know we have a support zone right here, looking at this zone over here. So we know because we have a rejection here. Now before we get in, we need to see a retest. When we have a close below our support zone, now we just got to wait for a retest, and then we can get in right after the retest. Now I'm gonna put this in replay mode, and I will show you guys where your entry is going to be when you're trying to use this strategy. Start from right over here, and now let's take a look and see. Price is close below our support zone. Now we're just waiting for a retest. We got our retest right there. Now our entry, because we have our retest right over here, price came back and we tested our support zone to the left here. Now we have our retest. Now our entry is going to be right here, this candle, because now this candle, this bearish engulfing candle came back down towards the 21 EMA. So that's our entry right there. Now we have our entry. Now for us to look for our take profit target, because I want you guys to remember, when it comes to Forex, I always say this. When it comes to Forex, remember, we're trading from zones to zones. Now we can target this zone over here because we have another support zone right over here, looking at this to the left hand side. So now we're just going to target this zone as our take profit. Now we have our take profit here. So our take profit target is going to be for 30 pips. We have our take profit target right there for 30 pips, and our stop loss, we can have our stop loss right above this zone, above this support zone over here, risk to reward ratio 1:9. So let's see how this trade played out. Let's take a look and see. Right there, we got our take profit smash right there, 30 pips, stop loss 15 pips, risk to reward ratio 1:9. So now this is how you use this strategy for a sell trade. So let me show you guys a buy example real quick using this same strategy. Let's look for a buy trade. Let's see here. Now when we're looking for a buy trade, we need price to be above the 3 EMAs, and we need the 3 EMAs to be heading towards the same direction. Now once we have price above the 3 EMAs, now what we're simply waiting for is we're just waiting for a retest. Now if you guys take a look here, if we go here and take a look, we can see, if we take a look at this to the left hand side here, we can see that we have price above the 3 EMAs right over here. We have price above the 3 EMAs here, and price broke our resistance. Price broke our resistance right over here. Price broke our resistance right over here, as you guys can see. Now that we have this zone over here and price broke our resistance right over here, so what we're simply waiting for, we're just waiting for a retest. And as we can see here, price came back and we tested our previous resistance zone. Now all we're waiting for is we need price to get back towards the 21 EMA, and then we can get in our trade. So let me put this in replay mode, and you guys will actually see where our entry will be for this trade. So put this in replay mode and let's take a look and see. Let's see where our entry will be. We got a retest. Now we have the retest right over here at this zone over here. We have the retest. Now we're just waiting for price to push back towards the 21 EMA. So our entry will be right over here. We can get in the trade right over here now, because now price is above the 21 EMA. We got a retest. Now we have our entry right there. Now to look for our take profit target, now I know I can target this zone here because we have another zone over here. Looking at this to the left hand side, I can target this zone right over here. Let me just make sure I have my zone correctly, and we just target this zone here. So we're targeting this zone for 46 pips, and we can have our stop loss right below the 3 EMAs here, and we can have our stop loss right here for 16 pips, risk to reward ratio 2 to 9. So let's see how this trade played out. Right there, we got our take profit smashed for 46 pips, stop loss 16 pips, risk to reward ratio 2 to 9. So guys, this is exactly how you use this scalping strategy using the 21 EMA, the 55 EMA, and the 150 EMA. So this is exactly how you use it for a buy or for a sell trade. So if you find value in this video, and if you guys also want access to my signals on Telegram, the link is going to be down below in the description. And if you find value in this video, all I ask is that you smash that like button, because you know it's just going to take you guys 2 seconds. So smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys won't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless you guys and stay blessed.